In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to review and sign a document in DocuSign. This is one of the easiest ways to review a document carefully and complete your signature without missing any required fields. If you've received a document through DocuSign and you need to check the details before signing, this process is simple and straightforward. First, open DocuSign and go to the document you need to work on. Once you're in the main area, find the document that's waiting for your review. Click on that document to open it and begin the signing process. After you click it, the document will load on screen. At this point, take a moment to review everything before you sign. This is important because DocuSign makes signing easy, but you still want to confirm that all of the information shown in the document is correct. Read through the form and look closely at the fields that may need attention. In this example, the date shown in the document is incorrect. If you notice a similar issue while reviewing your own file, the next step is to remove the incorrect date. Delete the date that's currently entered so you can replace it with the right one. Once that incorrect date has been removed, click on the Date Signed field. This tells DocuSign where the correct date should go. Then position the correct date in the appropriate place so the document reflects the accurate information. Taking a few extra seconds here can help prevent confusion or delays later. After the date is fixed, move to the Signature section. Click on the Signature field to begin adding your signature. DocuSign will guide you through placing it in the correct location. Add the signature so it appears in the designated area of the document. When you've finished reviewing the form, corrected the date, and added your signature, you can click Finish to complete the process. This submits the signed document and confirms that your part is done. If you're not ready to submit everything yet, you may also choose to finish later. That option is useful if you want to pause, double check something, or come back before completing the final submission. And that's it. That's how to review and sign a document in DocuSign. The key is to slow down long enough to review the content, correct any errors you spot, and only then complete the signature. Following this process helps make sure your document is accurate and properly signed from start to finish.